If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If using Sage 50 Premium accounting or higher, you can also create cost codes for job phases. Cost codes let you further refine the types of costs associated with a specific job phase. You assign a cost type to each cost code you create. This lets you then assign multiple cost types to a phase if needed. To create cost codes for phases in Sage 50 Premium Accounting or higher, select Maintain, Job Costs, Cost Codes from the menu bar to open the Maintain Cost Codes window. Enter the ID of the new cost code into the Cost Code ID field. Then enter the description of the code into the Description field. Note the Inactive checkbox, which you can use later to inactivate cost codes you no longer use if needed. Then use the This cost code uses the Cost Type dropdown to select the cost type to assign to the cost code. Then click the Save button in the toolbar at the top of the window to save the new cost code. If using cost codes when assigning job costs, you simply assign expenses and revenues to a job and a specific phase within the job, and then to the correct cost code. You will do this within the same job field in the line items area of the sales and purchase forms in Sage 50. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.